hotel. Kasi pupunta kayo sa kasal. Yan ang aking apo. Yan na. Oh, you want beans? Ah, beans. Yummy. Oh, alis ko yung kalabasa. Ayaw mo na kalabasa. Yan, habang ako nag-iintay ng bake. Wow! Ay, alaglag. Beans. You want... yeah, beans. Yummy. Kalabasa. Eggplant. You want?
No.
Talong. Talong. Rap.
I want beans.
Beans only. Kalabasa, pampalino ng mata.
Alright.
Beans only. With rice. Right? Yun all together ang gamit. Rap. Bago kayo umalis, makakain ka. Di ba? Very good yan eh. Hagod. Gusto mo na hagod? Ha? Ito oh, hagod. You want hagod? You try? Like this oh. With the leg. Ayaw mo? Yan, nahagod oh. Malunggay. This is malunggay. Sarap. Ayaw mo? Luwag. Ako na lang. You want to try? Try. Yum. And rice. Try it. Try it. Ayaw. Luwag. Only beans. Gusto niya beans lang. Ako po, batang ere.
I don't go.
Diego. Open na.
I love.
Wow! Galing! Very good si Apo. Ayaw ng ano. Up. Up na. Beans. One more. Yummy. Yung water nito, nasaan? Where's your water?
There.
There? Oh, wala ang laman yun.
It's there on the side bit.
Si Diego, nakidungaw na sa'yo. Ano? Washing machine. Oh, yan na, beans. Oh, beans only. Oh, saka rice. Kalabasa. Try again, kalabasa, oy. Ay, naku. Ang malikot. Dali na, maano yung pagkain natin. Hagod. You want hagod? You don't like. Saan pa hagod, oh?
No.
Hindi, wag.
Oh.
Naku, sa'yo.
What my what?
Tubig! Alam tubig siya, ay. Ito, one more. One more, para marami kayong kasubo. Banana bread. Right?
Ayaw.
Ayaw mo nung... yan, tinanggal ko na. Ayaw ng... ito pa. Beans. Hindi mo nahuli, beans. Very good. Good girl si ate. Good girl si ate. Yung ate na ikaw eh. Yung ate na ikaw. No, ate? Ate? Ampalaya. Ampalaya. Ito, oh. Ayaw mo?
Yes, good.